the more and more I get closer to any of these guys, the more and more desperate of crimes and how much they stalk me and harass me, pretending that I think that this is normal. I know this ain't fucking normal. I know it ain't normal to see cars only harassing a black man all the time. How the fuck is that ever gonna be looked at normal? A complete dumbass that's being targeted would only think that. I'm sorry for all the guys that didn't make it this far, but that isn't smart, man. If you let these people do this shit and not fucking get no fucking evidence, man, that is not smart, guys. You're basically letting these people play with you. I'm playing with them all the way. I'm playing with you. This is gang stalking gone bad for them, not me, not us, not people that don't have to deal with this. People that shouldn't have to deal with this, that's why I do this. That's why I'm kicking ass right now. That's why I got these people under the fucking brimstone of a fucking leaf hiding behind a flake of grass. We got a billion gang stalkers, right? Hiding behind one little string of grass with Boquito Negro just looking for him. Little midget, looking for ants. Looking for little ant gang stalkers in little ant cars, little insect vehicle. Okay, I'm fantasizing. You can only imagine how they're fantasizing about me, right? A little black midget chasing their car, throwing bricks. A little black midget dragging a bag of bricks, trying to chuck them at a car that's getting too far away and never hits them. That's their fantasies. Me dancing on top of a car while they got monster trucks surrounding the car, revving up their engines, making me dance faster. Vroom, 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 vroom. Ay, 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 ay. There's one of the trucks that's revving their engines. Ay, ay, ay. Sometimes I love you, baby, and it's quite alright. I need you, baby. Did you know it's just Boquito Negro? I need you, baby, and if it's quite alright, I love you, baby. Don't you know it's Boquito Negro? And don't you know that it's Boquito Negro? I need you, baby, and if it's quite alright, I love you, baby, and don't you know that I need you, baby? I need you, baby, and if it's quite alright, I love you, baby. And don't you know it's true? I need you, baby. I need you, baby. And if it's quite alright, I need you, baby. Don't you know it's true? I need you, baby. I need you, baby. And if it's quite alright, I need you, baby. Don't you know it's true? I need you, baby. I need you, baby. And if you know it's true, I need you, baby. Baby, I need you, baby. And don't you know it's true? I need you, baby. Every night, harassed, pushed over the edge to throw something at these people's car. They leave weapons on the side of the road like pieces of a car to throw at their car. I need you, baby, and if it's quite alright, I need you, baby. Lights don't bother me. Gosh. I need you, baby, and if it's quite alright. And if it's quite alright, I need you, baby. Don't you know it's true? I baby. And if it's quite alright, I need you, baby. Don't you know it's true? I need you, baby. Hey, you're screwed. Yes, you're screwed. You guys are all screwed. Because every single night's going to be the same night. Bet. Bet. You're screwed. Yeah, you're screwed. Yep. You guys are pissed, huh? You guys are pissed, huh? I told you how it was going to be. Why are you so surprised? If somebody told me how it was supposed to be in the future and I'm seeing it, you got to be dumb as a doorknob. Keep it pushing. Didn't I tell y'all it was going to be like this? Why are you guys so fucking surprised? Bye. And y'all letting me record you? And y'all know I'm going to Sacramento? Oh, I'm going. And I'm making it. So, why would you let me get this on camera? What is wrong with y'all? You guys ain't smart as the apples I thought you were. Keep it pushing. Keep it pushing. Keep it pushing. You guys are in some serious shit now. Yeah, serious shit. Keep it pushing. Damn, I got their face. You guys aren't the smartest apples. Not smart. Not the smartest cookies. Keep it pushing. Not the smartest cookie. Keep it pushing. Not the smartest cookie. Keep it pushing. God damn. God damn. You guys want... This is not the way to get famous, to run the company, whatever company that is. Oh, the hidden company. That's a fucking government bus. The government bus. Hey, hey, hey. The government bus. I got a government bus. We got the government bus. We got the government bus. Had no name. The government bus. Had no name. Government bus. It was all black. Government bus. And it had tinted windows. Government bus. Tinted windows. Government bus. Tinted windows. Government bus pushing. Tinted windows on the government bus. It was a big government bus. No, I love you. That's the only person that said I love you that I got on video saying it. I can't believe it. It's a miracle. Here's the helicopter. Listen. We can see it. We can see it. Can we hear it? That's the Boquito Negro chopper. You see the Boquito Negro chopper? Zulu. Don't play with your pussy being a black midget. It makes people throw up. Love you. I shouldn't have said that. We're gonna edit that. We have to edit that out. It's not appropriate. It's not appropriate. The Adventures of Boquito Negro. The Boquito Negro chopper was in the sky tonight. Thanks for the African American lights. Good night. Yeah. Yeah. Nobody does it better. Nobody.